post-match press conference. Congratulations to the UP Fighting Maroons for beating the UP Red Warriors in 4 sets. The Fighting Maroons are now 3-7. We have Coach Carlo Capakinan, Tommy Castrones, and Olayevi Rahim. Coach, congratulations for this victory. So, ano yung nangyari na ng third set nung nakaisa sa inyo ang UP? And ano yung ginawa niyong adjustment so you could pull this victory?
Well, na-highlight siguro yung mga lapses namin during that third set. And we also wasn't able to perform or execute what we were supposed to do. And then going to the next, we just get back to the system. As long as we're in rhythm, as long as we're in sync, we're gonna play well naman din. Yan.
Thank you, Olay. We got 21-47, that's 1 block, 5 digs. So it's a very important game for you guys, especially you're trying your best to reach the final four. So what does this mean, this victory for you? This victory, what's important?
Well, it's quite important. It shows that we can actually be more of ourselves. So yeah, we just have to keep pushing and keep trusting in what we do, and for sure, I feel like we're gonna get there.
Thank you, Tommy. 15 of 30 attacks, 1 service ace, 16 extra receptions, and 8 digs. So very consistent ka sa plate. So ano yung mga ginagawa mo maganda para siyempre para yung QB mag-compete this season?
For me, we start sa ensayo namin. Doon kami kumukuha ng kumpiyansa, then i-actual namin gawin na sa actual game. So, yun lang. Consistency and laban UP.
Thank you. Okay, the floor is open.
Coach, at 3-7, kaya pang umabol sa Final Four. How would you take on yung remaining 4 games?
Just like how we are doing it in our previous matches, every game is a learning kasi. So we keep on trying what else the boys can do, what else the team can do, ano yung mga capabilities namin. So we keep on trying. Yun yung meron kami. So susubok lang ng susubok. Yun lang.
Tommy, siguro gano'n ka lang ka-excited kasi ito, first year nyo pa lang together with coach and everyone. Pero itong 3 wins, na-surpass na yung 2 wins from last season. And bakit ba yun? Parang ako excited ka lang for this team's future.
Gaano ako ka-excited? Siguro yung eagerness na manalo kami, ganun, as a team. So,
Okay.
So for the coaches and for coach and the players, you guys were coming off 2 games lang from the start of the second run. So paano nyo ginamit yung games na yun as fuel towards this week?
Ako ba?
Yan.
Ano namin ginamit? As mentioned, learning. Mahilig kaming sumubok, mahilig kaming matuto. Tapos, gagawa kami ng paraan. When we started the team, isa lang yung philosophy ko talaga eh. We become a problem solver. So, lagi kami, problem solving. Yun.
Siguro additional na lang po for coach. Si Abali nag-push and 27 excellent sets kanina. So what can you say about his playmaking skills lalo na kung ipalit siya tapos nag-show up siya?
So far, nagiging maganda naman yung progress namin with him. Siyempre, lumilitaw lang talaga yung immaturity in some part of the game. And dahil lumilitaw yun, ibig sabihin, may sinusubukan yung bata. So, may opportunities pa kami to improve. So, hopefully, maging successful run din siya. Magkaroon siya successful campaign sa mga susunod pa niyang laro.
Coach has 3 wins. Ang nagdadala sa inyo this season, yung next si Larry, si Tommy, and yung center nyo si Abadi. So, gano'n ka-happy na yung mga bata ngayon yung nagdadala sa inyo sa UP? Tsaka magkaroon sila ng winning attitude in the future. What can you say?
Lahat pinaghahandaan, lahat pinaplano. So na-excite ako ano pa yung magagawa nila kasi meron kaming long-term program for them, especially sa development nila. which I believe sana mag-benefit not just us but the whole beauty community. Ayun. So, hanggat nasa stage kami ng planning at ina-execute namin, we'll do good.
Question po, kasi for the past 8 games since the start, share mo, ano talaga, saan po galing
Siya as a person naman, yung conversation. Pero pag tinapatan mo ng
Sabi ko
camera,
nga, problem solver kami. So kung may makikita kaming problema, may itatry kaming bago. Yun lang, subok kami ng subok kasi this is the season wherein I have to know them better. So kinikilala nila ako, kinikilala ko sila. Ayun, nagkataon lang na meron palang capabilities si Jello. So tinry namin, sinubukan namin.
yung assessment din po sa performance activity?
Meron pa igagaling. Saka meron pa igagaling. He's a very good support to the team. So yun.
Coach, may susunod pa ba ito convert?
Baka si Ray, makita nyo sa libero. Nakalimandig na eh. Nakalimandig na eh. Ayun.
Congratulations, Coach Carlo.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.